All right, I am here with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and today we're going to discuss something that many people that are not in the legal industry or in the accident reconstruction industry may not know about, but with technology, it is now easier to create animations to show a jury exactly what happened at the time of the accident. And many of these jury members want to see with their own eyes, what exactly happened in this accident? What caused this type of injury? So, David, how can an accident reconstructionist help you as a personal injury lawyer? And first of all, what exactly is an accident reconstructionist?
Well, an accident reconstructionist is exactly what it says. It's an expert who has the capabilities, usually it's an engineer, who has the capabilities of being able to take data that's provided to him about an accident, such as the roadway. A lot of times they depend on the police report. In an auto accident, the police reports usually go out to the scene. The police officers investigate the scene. They take measurements, where they found debris, where the collision initially occurred, where the vehicle ended up, and they're able, based on that information, to recreate the accident, to be able to tell you what the forces were involved in the accident, how fast the vehicles were going prior to collision, at the time of the collision, depending on if there's any skid marks or breaks as a result of the parties being able to see each other before the accident. So they're really helpful in being able to explain to a jury how an accident occurred. And obviously, when you got the plaintiff side versus the defense, there's always a difference of opinions between the experts, where the accident reconstruction experts can provide more information to a jury, which is, although very expensive to do these type of animations, is by being able to, like you said, show exactly to the jury their opinions in an animation. A lot of times what you have to understand, they're engineers. It's very difficult to sometimes follow what they're saying because they're using a lot of data, information. They're trying to explain to you where the car was going, what speed it was going, how fast it was going, the visibility and the conditions of the road. By being able to put that all in an animation, the jury can clearly see how the accident occurred. One of the cases that involved animations was a truck was parked on the a side of the roadway, and there's rules that you can't just park on the side of the roadway on the shoulder just for purposes of sleeping. Well, this particular individual had a tire blowout, lost control of his vehicle, and started veering off towards the right side of the shoulder, and then crashed into this parked trailer tractor, and as a result sustained terminal injuries and passed away. With the accident reconstruction expert and the animation, they were able to show the vehicle going, losing, and having a blowout, crashing into this big rig, and sustaining severe injuries, which in this case was terminal injuries. And they were then able to take that particular tractor trailer away from the scene and show to the juries that if that tractor trailer had not been in that location, this vehicle would have been able to go, continue on, and eventually at a distance of another 30-40 feet come to a stop without any injuries. So it's really helpful to be able to explain to a jury how an accident occurred and how, if a dangerous condition existed, if you take it out, what would have occurred.
Absolutely, and that's very valuable information. There will also be a resource on accident reconstruction experts on the davidazizipersonalinjury.com website. So if you'd like to know more about accident reconstruction experts, and maybe we will probably list a few of them that are very popular in different states throughout the country, not necessarily just California, but other areas, we will probably have some very valuable resources in that particular page on the davidazizipersonalinjury.com website. And if you have any questions related to car accidents or truck accidents, SUV accidents, please feel free to contact the law offices of David Azizi. You will see the phone number below as well as above in the YouTube video. Thank you for your time, David.
Thank you.